How to create Wix website for selling electronic books. Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to quickly show you step-by-step guide on how to create a website for selling electronic books. So it may sound difficult, but with Wix.com it's really easy to do, and in seconds I'm going to show you how to do it. So the first step you need to do is to create or log in into your account on Wix.com. As you can see, I have already made one and I have made here a couple of websites. So let's start from scratch. You need to click on create new site, and it's going to offer you to use their AI chat to bring your ideas to life, to get started with the help of AI, but we don't really need their help, so just click setup without chat. But it's a cool feature. I'd personally use it. It is really cool. So now we are going to create an website for selling electronic books. So it should be an online store. Here you need to choose what type of website do you want to create. So I am clicking on here the online store. If you want to be more strict, you can put here online bookstore, but I'm going to show you then how to do it. So it's going to prepare our dashboard for a website where we will work on our website, where are all the features of our website. As you can see, it is already loaded. Right now we need to create a website name, so I'm just going to name it a ebook shop. Okay, so when the name is ready, just click continue. It's going to ask you, do you already have an online store? So if you have, click on yes, I am ready selling online, or if you don't, so click on no, I am just starting out. So then click continue, and it's going to ask you what kind of products you are selling. So it's really if you want to sell electronic books, here you need to put a tick on the digital products. So Wix.com will understand what kind of products you are trying to sell. So as we are already saying, we are going to sell electronic books, so the digital products. Put a tick here and click continue. Now it's going to ask how you are offering your product. So we are going to build an online store and put a tick on online store. Then click continue and you are good to go. We are all set. Click on continue to dashboard and it's going to start working. So our dashboard is ready and our site is 50% ready. So the next step you need to do is to click on design your website, and you're going to ask one more time whether you want to generate a design with AI or customize a template. So we need to pick a template, so click on this button, pick a template, and right now Wix is going to offer us a variety of templates for our website. So here you can see e-commerce website templates. So here we can see fashion, clothing, jewelry and accessories, arts and crafts, home and decor, beauty and wellness, food and drinks, sports and outdoors, electronics, kids and babies, books and publishers, pets and animals, and CBD. So what we need is the books and publishers. So click on the books and publishers and you see all the templates connected to the books. So here you just need to choose the best option for you, what you really like, what the template looks great for you. So as for me, I really like this template, so just click on edit right here and it's going to load our editors page. So we just need to wait a bit for it to load everything. So we just waiting. And the best opportunity of Wix.com is that you don't really need to know any programming languages. You just creating a site from scratch in another website. So as you can see, it's already been loaded. We can see our editors page. So here on the left side you can see everything that will help you to edit this website. I'm going to quickly run through all these features. So we just need to wait a bit, couple of more seconds, when it's going to add the text to our template. It's going to add our names that we pastly have created in the dashboard in the start of the video, so just be patient, and everything should be loaded. So if the load is not going anywhere, like you see, like right here, you just can reload the page. Okay, so something went wrong, as you can see. Okay, so now everything should work correctly. I'm sorry, there is technical problems with my Wi-Fi connection. Okay, so here we can see that everything is ready. It's going to create text for our website one more time. We just need to wait a bit. Okay, so when everything is ready, you'll see here all these features that you can add elements, add sections, you can see your pages and menu, you can change your site design, you can add apps on your website, you can see how your business grows, you can add media to your site and CMS. So click on add elements if you want to add something to your website. Just zoom out to quickly see it, to run through. As you can see, we are on the home page right now. As you can see, there are a lot of pages that you can scroll through and edit all of them. So as you can see, your page is divided into the header, and the last one is the footer, and there are sections that are connected to your website. So if you want to add something, just click on this button, add section, and scroll through the sections that are offered by Wix. So for example, I would add this section with the final sale, get 30% off. So guys, it's really easy to do, as you can understand. When you're ready to go, you just need to add your products. How to do it is you go to the Wix app market, and you need to connect their app connected to the magazine. I don't know if it is connected right now. So just see here the shop, Wix stores. As you can see, it is installed in our website already. Here it is installed. So guys, everything is ready. I hope you like my video. Please leave me a like and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.